Hello my wonderful viewers. In this lesson we're going to be focusing on division and multiplication of fractions. As when you have 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 4. So what do you think is going to be the answer to this question? So in this case we're going to multiply the numerators first. So we have 2 times 5 is 10, and then the denominators 3 times 4 is 12. So this is the answer to this question, multiply 2 over 3 by 5 over 4, but we can further reduce this 10 over 2 to its simplest term by 10 divided by 2 will give us 5, and then 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. So the simplest form of this 10 over 12 is equal to 5 over 6, and so this is the final answer in its simplest form. So let's multiply 1 over 6 and let's say 2 over 3. So the same way we perform this operation, this one is going to be 1 times 2 is 2 divided by 3 times 6 is 18. So let's further reduce this to its simplest form. 2 into itself is 1, 2 into 18 is 9, and so we're going to have 1 over 9. So please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can help me grow. Yeah, please do. Also like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you for doing so. I appreciate you. So I want you to try this one. 2 over 5 multiplied by 10 over 5, then multiplied by 3 over let's say 3 over 2. So can you try this one? I want you to pause this video and try it. So this is going to be equal to, and by the way, you can start with either numerator or denominator. So in this case, let's start with the denominator. 5 times 5 is 25, 2 times 25 is 50. And so the numerator, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 20 is 60. And so you can reduce this to its simplest form. So by just cancelling these zeros, and then we're going to have 6 over 5 as our final answer to this question. So let's solve one more question on multiplication of fractions. If you have 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 6. So I want to solve this. So if you look at this 2 over 6, you can see that you can further simplify this 2 over 6. Alright, 2 over 6, 2 into itself is 1. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And so let's replace this 2 over 6 with its equivalent, which is 1 over 3. And so we have 1 over 3. So let's now perform the multiplication of fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 15 is 45. So 1 times 3 is 3 times 1 is 3. So this is going to be 3 over 45. But this is not the simplest form because 3 can still divide 45. So 3 itself is 1. And then 45 divided by 3 is going to give us 15. Alright, 3 times 15 is 45. Yes. And so this is going to be our final answer. So let's go ahead and discuss divisions of fractions. So that one is going to be very interesting. So please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you for doing so. So in division of fractions, as when we have 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 4. So this 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 4. Let me just explain this. This can be written as 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 4. And then if you want to perform this operation now, so we have 4 here. This denominator is 4 and this denominator is 3. So let's do something. Let's multiply this numerator, which is 1 over 3 by 3, and then multiply this one again by 3. Now notice that 3 over 3 is equals to 1. So by multiplying this numerator and denominator by 3, we do not change anything. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, then over 2 times 3 is, we have 6 over 4 here. So let's go ahead and remove this fraction, this 4, and then multiply both sides again by 4, because 4 over 4 is still equals to 1 and we do not change anything. So we're going to have 4 times 1 is 4, then over 4 we divide 4, which is 1, and then we are going to be left with 6. So this is going to be the answer, alright, to this question now. But we can still reduce it to its lowest term. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this 3 over 2 is the answer in this simplest form. But let me come back to this question again. When you have 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 4, for easier simplification, we are going to change this division to multiplication sign. Alright, when we multiply it, we will now reverse this fraction. Alright, when we change this division sign to multiplication sign, we reverse the fraction by replacing the denominator with the numerator and then vice versa. So we're going to have 4 over 2 here. Alright, so that the final answer is going to be 4 times 1 is equal to 4 over 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So which is the same thing we have here. Alright, I think this first method is the most complex one, but this one is the simpler one. So let's reduce this. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So which is equals to 2 over 3. I think this is the same answer we got here. Alright, so I want you to go ahead and solve this one. I'm going to write out now. So I want you to solve it by yourself so that you get acquainted with it. Assuming you have 2 over 3 divided by, let's say, 1 over 5. So I want you to solve this and tell me the answer in the comment section. So we're going to have 2 over 3. Then let's change this division sign to multiplication and then reverse this fraction. So it's going to be 5 over 1. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10 over 3 times 1 is 3. And then 10 over 3 is our final answer. Alright, so let's solve one more question before we call it a wrap on this one. So let's say we have 3 over 4, then divided by 1 over 2, also divided by, let's say, 2 over 3. I want you to try this question. We have double multiplication signs here. So first we're going to start from this one, then after solving this one, then we now solve the answer together with this one. Alright, so let's start with 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So we have 3 over 4. Then to change this division to multiplication, we're going to reverse this fraction. It's going to be 2 over 1. So we are going to have 2 times 3 is 6 over 4. So in this simplest form, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is 3 over 2. We now bring down this fraction. So we're going to have 3 over 2 divided by 2 over 3. So the same way we solved the other one, we have 3 over 2. We are going to change this division sign to multiplication sign, and when we do that, we reverse this fraction to 3 over 2. And so 3 times 3 is 9 over 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. And so this is our final answer. So please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you are going to be the first to watch it. So this is where we call it a wrap. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.